Hi, I'm Tara from SmartDeploy. We are ready to create our boot media. Let's dive in. In the console, you can go to Deployment Packs pane by clicking on Deployment Packs on the left. Then click the Actions menu on the top right corner and select Create. This will launch the Build Wizard. SmartDeploy allows you to create 4 different types of boot media: USB, DVD, ISO media that can be fully offline or connect to a network resource. You can also make WDS packages to PXE boot. And if you want to initiate deployments from the SmartDeploy console, you'll need to create a deployment package. That's what I want, so I'm going to select Deployment Package and click Next. No matter what type of media you create, you'll be prompted to select and add the platform packs that you want to deploy. So here I am selecting platform packs for all the devices I want to image and adding them. Once I'm done, I hit Next. I will select the answer file that I created earlier to add to my deployment package. If you're creating physical boot media, you can add multiple answer files for different deployment scenarios and include it in the same media. This is optional, but if you want, you can set a password so that only people who have the password can do full deployments. Name your deployment package, click Next, and finish. And we're done. In the next video, we're going to deploy. I'm Tara for SmartDeploy.